Want to start speaking Cantonese today? Let's begin with the foundation, the greetings you will hear and use everywhere. These are simple, high frequency and perfect for beginners. Let's begin. Hello, I'm Kayi and welcome to the Cantonese in 3 Minutes series. In this lesson, you will learn 8 phrases and expressions for everyday greetings. Let's start with phrase number 1. Number 1, hello, 你好. This is the standard polite way to say hello. Say it with me, 你好. It literally means you good. Number 2, good morning, 早晨. It's your standard morning greeting. Repeat, 早晨. Awesome. Number 3, good night, 早唞. Use this expression when saying good night to family or friends. Say it with me, 早唞. Excellent. Number 4, goodbye, bye bye. Exactly like English, bye bye. Repeat after me, bye bye. This one should be easy to remember, I hope. Okay, next one, number 5. Thank you for services. Guy. Use this when someone does something for you, gives directions, hands you change, holds a door, that kind of thing. Your turn. Guy. This is one of the most frequent phrases you will need. Next up, number 6. Thank you for gifts or favours. 多謝. Different from該. This one is for gifts and acts of kindness. Repeat after me. 多謝. To keep things simple, remember, 該 is usually a more casual way to say thank you, while 多謝 is reserved for more special occasions. Number 7, excuse me / sorry. 唔好意思. This phrase works both as excuse me and sorry, depending on context. Say it with me. 唔好意思. Use it when passing people, bumping someone, or apologizing politely. Number 8, how are you? 你好嗎? Not used as frequently in daily Cantonese as in English, but still very handy. Repeat after me. 你好嗎? Well done! So quick recap. 你好, hello. 早晨, good morning. 早唞, good night. Bye bye, goodbye. 唔該, thank you for services. 多謝, thank you for gifts and favours. 唔好意思, sorry / excuse me. 你好嗎? How are you? These alone cover a big part of everyday interactions. Great work, guys! I hope you enjoyed this 3-minute Cantonese lesson. If you enjoyed today's lesson, make sure to hit subscribe and the notification bell for future lessons.